Hello, fellow YouTubers. 1:30 and Tracking the Blizzard Part 12 of 2013. Hey! Icicles. Hold on. That's cool. Icicles. That's cool. I want one, but I can't get one. Because if I try, I will die. If I try, I will die. Die. Fuck. It's cold and there's a lot of snow. Oh my god. You think it would have stopped, but no. And where the guy shoveled is recovered, so I don't see the point in shoveling. Oh shit, you can see my breath. Well, obviously, if it's snowing, it's cold enough to see my breath. There's that piece we've been tracking. Here's the ice on the pencil. And I'm not even joking right now. The floor looks so awesome right there. You can barely see it, but I'll try to give you a preview of it. Maybe with this one instead. My keys. As you can see, it's so smooth and everything. So smooth. Ice all over the pencil. When we bring this back in, this is gonna be amazing to look at. Still snowing. This is the blizzard of 2013. Don't worry, I'm not messing up this ledge right here. I'm gonna leave it as it is. You heard that. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Part 14, Blizzard of 2013. Peace!